Look on me like hockey cause I had some goals that I had to defend. Yeah. If you really a shooter, I talk on computers, my nigga, let's link in. They say they won't beat them, when I pull up on them, they vegan. He better chill, he don't wanna get left, I ain't T-Boss, I'm creeping. I will come while you sleeping.
What's going on, YouTube? It is your boy DS Dan. I am back again with a video for you guys. Take a look, man. We got the Air Jordan 1 Defiant OGs Nike SB Lakers from LA to Chicago. That's what they're calling these right here. Very, very nice shoe, man. Big shout outs to Kicks Are For Us, man. Came through for me for these right here. But before we get into anything, all you guys out there, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Also, if you're new, click that subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. I want to talk to you guys about something real quick about an application that I've been using, Poshmark. All right, take a look at the top of the screen. That's what Poshmark looks like, where you can buy and sell fashion things, vintage things, sneakers, all kind of stuff. You download it on your Android and your Apple devices. Poshmark is an application where you can sell old kind of clothes that you have, discontinued things that stores don't have anymore. I have a couple things listed on Poshmark that I'm selling. That's my go-to app. I love the application. The interface is smooth. This is real easy. You see the feed, what people are selling. You can shop, you can sell, you can check out the news. And you also could give your boy a follow. This is my Poshmark account right here. Check out my closets. My closets, I have things for sale. I got a nice, little Supreme shirt for sale. Got some beaters for sale. Some Jordans. Got a Supreme hat for sale. Somebody just bought that right now. Easy to sell. If you're going to sell something, you just hit sell. Take a quick picture. Boom. Post it. Upload it. And you're good to go. Alright, now if you want to shop, you could just browse through a bunch of different things. They have, when you download the app, man, make yourself some closets. Really, really cool application. I just had to show you guys real quick what the app has. All the information to download Poshmark will be in the description below. Also, make yourself some closets. All my stuff that I'm selling will be in the description below if you guys want to check it out. Let's get into this video of these Air Jordan 1 Lakers. Take a look. These released May 25th. About to show you guys quick review of them, man, and I'm gonna show you what they look like on feet. Comes in your typical Jordan 1 box. Nothing special at all. Does come with the lines on the paper. Size tag reads Air Jordan 1 High OG Defiant. Retail is $175. Everyone knows that this shoe, the paint comes off. When you wipe all this paint off, or when you wear it and it gets rubbed off, eventually it'll look like the Chicago ones, the Chicago Jordan 1s. I'm not going to be doing that this video, guys, man. I like the Lakers colorway. I do have the Chicago ones, so I'm not going to rub it off. I think it just looks so nice like this. Sorry, but I'm going to show you guys a picture right now how they look rubbed off. Take a look right now. Does come with 4 sets of laces. We got the purple, red laces, white laces, and it also comes with the black laces. Start off with the front of the toe box. You got your nice white leather on the front of the toe box. The leather is pretty soft. Look, I'm pushing it in. It's very soft, actually. It's nice and soft. It ain't no shatter back, but the front of the toe box. Look at the rigids around here. You can see it has like red going up. I guess you got your black laces, like I said. Take a look at the tongue. You got your all white tongue in that nylon. You do got the Nike SB on the tongue in black. That is so dope right there. Take a look at the midsole. The midsole's white. Goes around the whole shoe. Got your purple. Got your yellow on the swoosh. Now the swoosh rubs off. All the hits of the purple rub off. Take a look at that leather on the side right here. It's not that bad. It's pretty good. The leather's pretty good, I must say. The black stitching on the swoosh. You got your wing right there. You got your Air Jordan with the basketball and the wing in black. Take a look at the medial side of the shoe. Medial, same as the lateral. You got your swoosh with the black stitching, your hits of the purple, the white, all white midsole. Sizing on this shoe, I do recommend you guys go true to size. Go true to size, you'll be good to go. Inside, you got a all white inner sole with the Nike SB branding stamped on the inner sole. Sock line is in black. Alright, now let's get to the back of the shoe. You can see you got your nice goldish yellowish color in the back. Back here is just nice and plushed and soft, man. Real nice. I do want to rub them off, but I just I think when I wear them in time, I'm gonna let them rub off, because it's just a really dope shoe, man. Like, the Lakers colorway is just dope. Real quick, take a look at that bottom, all black bottom with your Nike branding right there. Just looking very fresh. I want to know what you guys think, man. Let me know in the comments. Are you guys going for these? I know that Foot Action stores, there's only gonna be like 3 places getting them, or 2. 1 Foot Locker's getting them, and I know a lot of skate shops might get them. So definitely, if you want these, man, check your local skate shops. And yeah, they're gonna release on the 25th. I hope everybody's able to get these. Thank you guys for boy DS Dan. We about to get into this on feet, and I'm gone.
Yeah. Sometimes it be the people closest to you. Your right hand man, your best friend.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
Be the same ones plotting on you, trying to take your place. Lord, all came from the same place, so how you gon' hate on me? Hate on me. Was doing your thing back then, never asked you to wait on me. Nah. You see me shining, and you wanna throw some shade on me. Why? Don't choose my homie, but I guess that's shame on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. Shame on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. Chains on me. Chains on me. You chains on me. Why? If it came down to it, would've let you throw that weight on me. That weight on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. I don't deserve it. If you wasn't my brother, then it wouldn't hurt me. But I got a purpose. You just starting on bitches cause you really thirsty. And I'm really working. I'ma go get the crown cause I'm really worthy. That you in my circle. Now you plotting on robbing, so we gotta murk you, boy. I ain't never wanna hurt you, boy. Force my hand and don't have to. Street smart, couldn't learn in the classroom. You been trapping, but I flew right past you. If it's really all a part of the plan, then sorry mama, you was right. Cause you told me not to hang out with them killers, I almost died the same night. Lost some niggas, I survived, so wishing they life would revive. Reminiscing about the times, we ain't had much with it all combined. I got a lot of shit on my mind, I just don't know how to let it out. I was sick first, but I'm better now. You both the coach, how to sell me out. All came from the same place, so how you gon' hate on me? Hate on me. Doing your thing back then, never asked you to wait on me. Nah. You see me shining, and you wanna throw some shade on me. Why? Don't choose my homie, but I guess that's shame on me.